If you're interested in grading your cards, you can contact me at Kiel Santos or scan the QR above. We grade PSA, PGS, and TAG. So thank you guys for your support. Back to the video guys!
So, meron na naman tayong bagong batch na dumating, and this is batch 38 I think. So, open na natin guys. And may mga cards kasi ako dito guys na pinagrade ko nandito sa batch na to. So yeah, let's start with this. Ito yung ayan. Dun, 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 dun. First, Green Ninja Gold Star PSA 9. Munch Putya, Munch PSA 3. Oh my god. Snorlax Gem Mint 10. Sa tindahan tayo guys. Blaziken PSA 10. Iwalay-walay na natin guys. Godbo PSA 8. Gardevoir Gold. Ganda PSA 10. Marshadow. Kanino ba to? PSA 10. Next. Green. Ito yung sa akin guys. Sakit no? PSA 9. PSA 10 Mega Pidgeot from 2016. Mega Evolution. So, yun yung set. PSA 9 din to. Grabe. Ay nako. Gold Zekrom PSA 8. 9 pala. Pikachu ay Shining Magikarp. Chinese. And this one Victini PSA 9. Birthday Pikachu PSA 10. Mimikyu PSA 2. My god. Glacian PSA 7. Dun, 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 dun. 3 minutes pa lang guys. Hindi ko na kayang pabayin mga video ko ng mga unboxing. Kasi minamadali ko na lang halos. Lalo na mainit eh. Next one. Red Pikachu PSA 8. Goldon Uta PSA 10. Charizard PSA 10. So, mahirap lang i-grade yung mga golds guys. PSA 10. And we got 2 cards without grade. This one is the Naruto Kayu. No grade voucher. Specs not info. So, hindi talaga sila nag-grade ng Naruto Kayu guys. So, kung gusto nyo magpa-grade Naruto Kayu, i-send natin sa BGS. Kasi yun, nag-accept sila. Next one, Goldon Nami PSA 9. Nico Robin PSA 10. Gold Roger PSA 10. Ace PSA 10. And Squirtle PSA 9. So that's the whole we have here. And yeah, that's a lot of holes, including this mine. So yun lang guys. So if you're interested in grading your cards, guys, you can contact me at Cal Santos or scan the QR above. So it's summertime, guys. So meron tayong mga special shoutouts dyan sa mga nanonood sa atin. So if gusto nyo matuto pasa sa PSA, we can go partners, guys. And if may business kayo, you are a web breaker or gusto mo may shop ka, pwede tayong mag-partner for batch submission para mas marami yan, di ba? And para may ano rin kayo, kikitain. Yun lang, guys. If you're interested, guys, for business, you can contact me. So, I hope you enjoy my video. Click the notification bell to keep you updated. And don't forget to like and subscribe. Peace.